Hello guys, it's me again from Socialaccounts.me, and today I'm going to show you how to set up 2FA or two-factor authentication to secure your profile. As we all know, hackers are hacking a legit profile or your personal profile, so we always suggest you to set up 2FA. What is socialaccounts.me? Socialaccounts.me, a website from where you can buy Facebook account, Twitter account, Pinterest account, and other kind of social media accounts. You can also buy email accounts like Gmail and Yahoo or Hotmail accounts. So let's begin with the videos, and I will show you how to set up 2FA or two-factor authentication into our Facebook account. So basically, you need to log in your Facebook account. I have already logged in previously. So after login, you will see that screen. After that screen, you need to click on the account and click on setting and privacy. And after click on settings, so after clicking on settings, you will have that page, and there are lots of options. Maybe Facebook has been old version into our Facebook account, or maybe a new version. So you need to figure it out by going to the setting part. After clicking on setting parts, you need to click on security and login, and you will see or find that use two-factor authentication. After clicking on two-factor authentication, you will have three options to set up your two-factor authentication. So first is authentication app, and second is text message, and third is security key. I will never suggest to go with the security key because you need to put your pen drive to get the 2FA. So better use text message or authentication app. For text message, a drawback is there that you need to uh, verify with your mobile number. So might be your mobile number is not anymore, so you can't retrieve our Facebook account. Let's begin with the authentication app, and I will show you how to do that. Click on use authentication app. After authentication, you need to scan that code, or you can use that long key. You do not need mobile or anything. I will let you know how to get to FA code. So copy that long key, and now go to the socialaccounts.me. I have already opened previously, and now go to the how to set up to FA authentication app in your blogs in our blog section. So after clicking on the two-factor authentication, you need to put your secret key, which I have already copied. Now you can put that long key. Also keep in mind you need to save your long key into your desktop or any other sections to keep it safe, because for further any verification we need that code. So after it, you can see code is there for 2FA, and it's updating in 20 second or 18 second. So within 18 second, we need to put that code into our account. Now click on continue, and then put that code. Done. So you can see it's a very easier way to get the 2FA or set the 2FA into our account. After it, you need to put the password, and it will on your account. 2FA account is open. So 2FA is on. If you want still want to check, you can open a incognito window or private window by clicking over here, new incognito window. Open facebook.com. If somebody have your password, there is no issues, because it will ask a 2FA authentication code. Now you can see it's asking for 2FA. Now copy the code, and again go to our site, put that code, and click on get code. After it, You will have that code. Let me wait for 3 seconds because it will change. Now copy that code and put it over here. So you can see nobody can log in your account if they don't have your secret code. And after putting the code, you can see your account is logged in perfectly. Hope you like this video and keep watching. Keep subscribe our channel for more tricky video or for your social media accounts. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you so much, guys.